Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino. Joining us for this segment, we have Ping Zhou, Chairman and CIO of Beyond Yuan Capital. We're here to discuss the investment outlook in China and navigating today's market development. It is great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you.
All right, you got it. And give us some background. Share with us what Beyond Yuan, what's the background behind the firm?
Yes, Yuan Capital is an investment company focusing on China, investing in China. The original team have been working for General Electric Asset Management for 17 years, and the team left GE in 2012 and started this Yuan Capital. Currently, we have two strategies. One is our China strategy. The other one is investing in domestic Asia equities.
So, what is your outlook, your investment outlook in China? How has the current global geopolitical environment impacted the region?
Okay, China has been benefited substantially from the globalization, and China now has built a very sophisticated, most competitive manufacturing value chain. Today, as we see in the fourth industrial revolution, we see a lot of capital investing in AI related companies. Actually, AI is enhancing China's advantages because you need the physical assets to improve them. So as of now, US and China, they are leading in the AI space. US strength is in innovation that we call disruptive innovation, China's application innovation. China is a follower. So when you see US more advanced, and China is very integrated with the United States. So US big firms cannot do business or do production without China, like Apple, NVIDIA, Tesla. Most of the components, many of the components are coming out from China. So we are integrated. Even in this geopolitical issues, US cannot leave China.
What is your investment philosophy and what types of solutions do you offer given today's market developments?
We prefer investing in technology companies that we prefer investing in human capital. So those products and services driven by intangible assets, which is human talents, and provided those products that socially awareness and responsible, and also invest in those companies that share for the awareness, very strong awareness, because in emerging countries usually this is a concern for investors. So we invest in those companies, creating value through intelligence innovation.
How do you view the collaboration between Beyond Yuan Capital and Nasdaq Investments?
Yes, Nasdaq Investments, I believe it's very good for us because as a boutique shop, we need a good database, which investment has. We get exposure to global investors, and global investors looking at us to see how our process, our investments, and also helping us share with us. We can see the best practice from the global investors. It's really helping us get exposure to global investors and also improve ourselves. I think that relationship is very good. That's why we're working on that. We'll put the data on investments, which is help us.
And finally, what investment advice would you offer to clients now?
Yes, today China and US are the leading in AI space, which will help significantly improve productivity. That's why US equities has been benefiting from this for the past few years, now 5-10 years. China has been behind. It is very good for global investors to take a look at the China equities as well, because China is behind and will catch up. So there are many opportunities coming out from China that driven by utilizing AI, use new technology to upgrade our manufacturing value chain. So China's the competitiveness, you are benefiting from that and get return from your capital.
All right. We appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.